Hello guys and welcome to your home decor channel. My name is Glam Designs. Today I'll be showing you how I decorated my entryway for this Christmas and winter season. With nothing else to say, let's begin. I know I wanted to use a lot of fur items because it screams winter to me. So I'm using this rug. This one, it is from Amazon, and I'll go ahead and link it for you guys below. Then I added these pillows. This silver one, it is a pillow that I picked up a couple months ago from a thrift store and I absolutely love it. Then I used my Chanel book, and finally this gift box that we DIY together. I'll link that video guys at the end of this video. On that same video you can see this beautiful candy cane, fur candy cane that we DIY together as well. And the manzanita tree that you guys see here, it is from a company called eFavor Mart, and I really love it. It has a lot of glam and it comes in different colors. I'll link it for you also below, and I have a discount code if you guys are interested. Just click below. Finally, for the table, I'll be using these gorgeous snowmen. As far as this rug, you guys, I knew I wanted to give my entryway a little makeover, and what a better way than using this gorgeous rug. This one is from Well Woven. I'll go ahead and leave a link for you guys to this rug. It comes in different sizes. I love how modern it is, and also the colors blend well with all my decor. And you still have time to save 15% off, you guys, with my discount coupon code, and they're having a major sale, you guys, until December 27th. So you still have time to make your purchases and save a lot of money. As far as this wreath, this one we DIY last year, which I'll also link at the end of this video, but I went ahead and added the snowflakes this year and made it totally silver since it was rose gold last year. And finally, I knew I wanted to add a little bit of red, and what a better piece than this gorgeous princess Christmas hat. I thought it was a beautiful detail to add to this pillow. I forgot to mention, you guys, this garland that you see here, it is so glam and pretty. It is from GALLERIE. I picked it up last year, but I believe they carry it this year too. And I really love how everything turned out. Everything seems so simple, but yet very classy and beautiful, and very good and calming, very winter wonderland, and that's exactly the theme that I wanted to go for. Now let me know guys on the comments below, what do you think of this whole entryway decor? Did you feel inspired? Leave me a comment down below. If you're not part of my YouTube family, you guys, I would love to have you here. So hit that subscribe button. Don't forget to share your videos if you enjoy it. Share it with your friends and family, and don't forget to give me a thumbs up too. If you don't follow me on Instagram, I would love to have you there. So go ahead and follow me at Mimi's Designs at Totally Glam Decor. This is it for today, you guys. Thank you all so much for watching. Happy holidays, Merry Christmas, and I love you guys, and I'll see you next time. Ciao.